win, you have to take me out on a date. Anyway, let's get this duel started.
To be the greatest, you gotta take chances.
Then you must take every chance you can get, Yuma.
Duel!
Here goes. My turn. I set a monster. I set a card. I end my turn.
Okay, here I go. My turn. I draw. Here comes Night Express Night. I'll set a card. I end my turn. Bring it on.
My turn.
No, it's my turn. I draw. Let's go. I summon a monster. Well, let's go. I'll set a card.
That is the correct move.
Battle. Well, attack.
Ugh! I won't let that happen again.
Go. Take this direct attack.
That the best you got?
I end my turn.
What should our next move be?
Okay, here I go! My turn! I draw! I activate the spell card Special Schedule! Revive a monster with at least 3,000 attack points in defense position.
Now! Check out my set card. I activate a counter trap.
What? I activate the spell card Special Schedule! Revive a monster with at least 3,000 attack points in defense position. Here comes Night Express Night! Appear! I summon a monster! My monster's effect activates! Here comes Night Express Night! Oh yeah! I Xyz summon a monster! My monster's effect activates!
Yuma! Was that wise?
I activate my monster's effect. Let's go. I special summon a monster.
Time to battle! Out of my way! I attack with my monster!
Ow!
I end my turn! Bring it on!
Here goes. My turn. I draw. Let's go. I summon a monster. I activate my monster's effect. I end my turn.
What should our next move be?
All aboard! It's my turn! I draw! I'll play this! I summon a monster! My monster's effect activates!
I activate Acha-Cha Chambara's effect from my hand. Here comes Acha-Cha Chambara!
That the best you got?
It's not over yet.
This impregnable fortress is the terror of the railways. Xyz summon! Show yourself! Rank 4 Heavy Armor Train IRONWOLF! I activate the Equip spell Train Connection! I activate IRONWOLF's effect! I use an overlay unit you directly. Battle! Let's go, IRONWOLF! Attack!
Man, my flow was all clogged up.
I win, Yuma! That means you have to be my boyfriend. Nothing. You heard nothing.